So hello everyone, today we will see how to install the C compiler, which is VS Code, in our computer. So let's start with our browser, Chrome, any browser you can take. So let's go to Google and let's go to VS Code, download. Okay, we will download VS Code over here. So we will select our architecture, which is Windows. So download will start automatically. Okay, so here I can see the download is going on. So let's install it. Once it's done, so let's install it. Let's do the agreements and all that, and then here, then open with code, open with file explorer. So done. Now install. Now after installation of this, we need to install the C compiler, which is MinGW. So let the installation complete and let us go to Google. Okay, so we'll search here MinGW download. So here installation is completed, so let's close it. So from here, the sourceforge.net, we will download the MinGW compiler. So here you can press download. So download will start automatically. Download is going on. Okay, let's open it. Okay, let's go to our download folder and open it. Okay, so let's go. This is a MinGW setup. It's how it look like. Okay, so let's install it. Continue, and here it is downloading the compiler itself. So let it go. It will take some time. So after that, we have to place continue, and then we have to select the C compiler here, the Objective GNU C compiler over here. Okay, so mark for installation. Make sure you select the C compiler itself, and here in the corner apply changes, and then apply. So here it is downloading the compiler and setting it in our system. So here it is done. All changes were applied successfully. You may close the dialog box. So once this is displayed, we will close the dialog box, and then now our compiler is installed, but we have to tell the code editor or all the editors in our PC that the MinGW is involved or installed. So to do this, we will search here edit system variables, right? So here you have to select environment variables. Now down here you have to find path. Now in this path we have to press edit. So what we will edit, let's go to this PC now. This PC. Okay, let's go. So this is this PC. Now in this PC, after installation of MinGW, a folder will appear here. Now after the folder opening, you will find here a folder called bin. Now after selecting bin, you have to copy this path. Okay, so let's copy this path. Control C. After copying this path, let's come back to here. Then you will write new and then paste this path. And now we are done. Okay, so our code editor is installed and it's placed in the path folder. If you want to see, let's see. Yeah, it's the MinGW bin. Done. So we'll now close everything. Now okay, so let's now run our first code in VS Code to check if the environment variables and all are working properly. So Control N for new file. So select language, it is asking us C. Okay, now if you want, you can install in few extensions from here, which is this one, C++. I have already installed it, so it is showing like this. Okay, so this is very much important, and themes and all you can also install and all. Okay, this is the Visual Studio themes and all. If you like this, you can install it. So let's go to our code and see whether it is running properly or not. So let's write with our code hash include std io.h. Let's close the tab. After that we will write int main. Okay, when the brace opens, we will just print hello world. Okay, now return 0, and we are done. Let's see if it's working properly or not. So see here, hello world is getting displayed, which means that our compiler, IDE and everything is installed properly. So if you see anything on the code, if you run this again, see hello world is coming. So it's done. So our installation is completed successfully. Now in your case, you may not find this button over here. So for that you have to install an extension which is called the code runner. You have to search a code runner. So the first thing, this orange color one, you have to install it, and after installation you will get this play button like thing over here, which is enabling us to run our code directly. Okay, so this was how do you install VS Code in your computer and systems to get used to with C programs or C++ program or even Python.